So today I'm going to go through using this app called RehabPal. So the first time that you open it, it will go through a tutorial of which of the 4 timers you would use for different things. But I've already gone through that. So if you look on the bottom of the screen, it shows a little description of what it's for. So the basic metronome all the way on the left. This one is just a metronome that gives you a speed in beats per minute. So right now we're set at 60 beats per minute. You can change it using this right here, or you can use the plus or minus buttons on the side. So for example, 70 right here means 70 beats per minute. And if you click on the start button, you'll hear that. It will show you how many beats have passed on the bottom, as well as the time below that. If you click on this little I button on the bottom, it will give you a reminder of what each button stands for. So let's go to the next one. This is for strength. If you go to the top, you can set the tempo. So this top left one would be the up or going into the movement. The top right is the hold in seconds. Bottom left is the down, time in seconds, and then the bottom right is the rest time. So we'll leave that as is. You can input your number of sets and repetitions. So right now we're at 3 sets of 10 repetitions each. And then the recovery period, this is 30 seconds, but you can change that as well. Okay. So once you start, it will give you a notification every time you should start and end the repetition. And it will also give you a countdown in these 3 circles that shows you how many you've done and how many you have left. If you ever forget which buttons are used for each, you can click on this information and it will tell you. This third metronome is used for neuro exercises. So at the top, on the right hand side, this is beats per minute. We'll leave it at 60. Then we have the duration, that's 15 seconds. We have 3 sets, and we'll do a 60-second recovery time. So these are what's preset, but you can also change it. Once you click on start, it will show you your progress. And it will count down, so it's counting down 15 seconds. And then as you can see, there are 3 of those. If you'd like to pause at any time and you don't want it to lose your progress, click on the red pause circle. And then you can resume. And now it's just counting down the 60-second recovery period. The last timer we have is the interval timer. And this one is for something that you would need to measure time. And so this one, the interval time, that will give you 30 seconds, or you can also change that. So let's say maybe we wanted a 60-second time. And then we have 30 seconds of rest time. And you can change that either by typing in your number, or you can use this and just go to what number you'd like. So we'll start at 60 and then we'll leave it at 3 reps. You can add a rep or decrease your number. And then once you click on start, it will count down for you. And then we'll go all the way down from 60 seconds. You can pause, resume, or stop. And if you look in the bottom center area, it will show you the progress that you've made toward the 60 seconds by the red mark on that green figure. Lastly, if you'd like to add a reminder to use this app, click on More and then click on Reminder, and then you can add a reminder. You can title it what you'd like, add any notes, select the days that you would like it to remind you, and click how many times per day. And then you can save that and it will remind you on your phone with a notification.